Hey guys, when you drive a car and randomly you spotted this tire pressure light, is you have a problem. Pull the car along the side and see what's happening.
So let's walk outside. This side seems normal, a bit saggy, but normal. And this side seems normal too. And the back tire on the right is also just fine. And the last wheel seems it's lower than the others. So I assume the leak is coming out of this one.
So just walk through and check all the pressure on the tire with the looks that you can tell.
It's the one back on the left.
You can visually inspect if you find anything on the tire. Might need
As if you need it, you can
push cotton back and forth to see
something caught in. Best way I found was by just feeling in your hand.
And earlier I felt something, and guess what I found? There's a screw bunch up there.
I always leave this kit in my trunk.
This is a kind of puncture kit. You can get it from maybe any kind of auto shop or the Walmart or whichever. It's about $5, within $10 most likely. So get that.
And it doesn't take big space. Just leave it in the car in cases.
Much space.
So how this kit works is I'm gonna put this worm inside this hole. I push it in and pull out and leave it in there, and it should seal. And it's good to have this extra tool to pull this screw.
Yeah, I'll show you how to do it. So instruction says pull a piece out and then puncture it even larger. Personally, didn't like to enlarge the hole, so I'll just snuck in these worms to seal the air. And this is the best investment I made so far. So put it in the middle.
And this is sticky, so we just gotta add a little work to it.
That sling is ready. And that's it. You hear that? That's how far you want to go. Pull it out, and that's it. This is temporary, but with my experience, it lasts forever. So this is a piece that came out of
My back tire. So let's pump it up and see if there's a leak.
Ta-da! It's gone now.
And that's how it looks like. It's about 10 miles and it look like a gun.
So if the tire wall is ripped, I'd have to get a new whole tire, or worst case, it has to be towed away.
If
Air is not leaking as fast, you can definitely try this way, and if it's so fast that I recommend you go to the tire repair shop as soon as your gauge is up. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. The thickness, if you widen it more with the needle, it will get worse. So my theory earlier was saying just push it in.